Hey Charlie, what you doing, good boy? Huh? Papa gotta go to work. Okay? Papa gotta go to work. That's old good old Charlie, the Mastiff mix. Okay. Hey, what's going on? How you doing today? Welcome. Okay, this is going to be part 2 of the miter station, or what I want to call it, my ultimate miter station workbench. And I'm going to give you a little bit of a teaser, and I'm going to show you how far I got. But I have it covered because we got a couple of things that we have to do, so it's almost done. And there it is. You're gonna have to watch the video to see what she's gonna look like when we're all done. I'm gonna show you what I got going on today to finish this up. I'm gonna add a couple more posts and a couple more wheels for more stability at the end where the table saw goes. It just kind of was rocking a little bit. So, welcome to part 2 and final, and let's get right into it, and let's get this workbench done.
Change, been through a lot of pain, Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago, I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling.
Let me show you what I got so far. And this video was really long. I got about 3-4 hours on it already, and we still got a little bit more work to do, but let me show you where we're at. And also the camera died, so I got you plugged in right over here. See that? Anyway, let me show you. I have to trim this back a little bit back here because of this thing here. Hits. Okay. And I'm probably gonna trim here a little bit, give myself a little bit more room here. But other than that, there she is. Okay, so we still got a little bit more work. I got sanding. I have I'm gonna seal it, trim this back a little bit. So we got a little bit more to do. Okay. Okay. So what I got here is a 45, 22 and a half, and 22 and a half. 22 and a half and 22 and a half gives you a 45. Show you. So we got 22 and a half and a straight 45. Okay, I'll measure 7 and a half, 7 and a half, 7 and 3/4, 7 and 3/4. Got off a little bit, but that's fine. So now we can mark. So we're gonna go. Now. Hey, okay, we're almost done. Couple of small things, small details, and we are there. Got a tarp over it, because we're about to remove that tarp in a few minutes. Let me finish up real quick, and we'll see what's going on. I even dressed up for it. No, I didn't. This is still my work clothes. Pretty good, pretty good. I'll show you what this box is for. That's to catch the sawdust that comes off the table saw. I'm gonna put a vacuum vacuum down in there, but for now, when I start the saw, I just it'll just catch all the sawdust in that little box, and then I can just dump it out. Are you ready for the unveiling of your, mine and yours, ultimate workbench? You ready for this? You ready? You ready to see our new ultimate workstation? Okay, let's go. Remove the tarp, the unveiling. Dun, 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 dun. Move that tarp, move that tarp. There she is, guys. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so got to do a little bit of polyurethane, and we're gonna add some stuff. I got that A and B switch for here, and so we're gonna do more to it. So guys, you got to follow me on this one, okay? Because we're really gonna do some nice upgrades and additions. But there she is, guys. Our table saw. I want to thank you for watching. I'm also very excited for the new subscribers. Thank you. Very appreciated. And I will see you on the next job. And we're going to come back to this. I guarantee you we're going to do some upgrades to this. Okay? Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, hold on. I'll tell you what. You want to give me like another 3 minutes? And we're going to see if this ultimate station is up to the task that I built it for. Okay? Let's put it to the test. Why don't we do that? All right? a really, really good job. She does everything exactly how I want it. That's how I pictured it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Appreciate you, appreciate the new subscribers, and I will see you on the next job. And we got a lot of stuff coming up, okay? So hang in there.